Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved use Audi A5 Sportback Sport 35 TDI finished in the brilliant black paintwork. In this particular example, it is also a part of the approved use range, which means it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Now you're looking at the key features, and with this being the sport model, this means the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty styling such as the front bumper, rear diffuser design and the side profile with those paint matched side skirts. As well, you do get the chrome assets such as the window surrounds and the model designation. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 18-inch 5 twin-spoke design cast aluminium wheels, which really complement the black paint. Moving in now to the rear boot capacity of the A5 Sportback, where we do find up to 480 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full cream leather interior, which is really complement that lovely black paintwork. As well, you do get a leather centre armrest, which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which makes this vehicle perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed interior with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, dynamica and aluminium. With this being the sports model, it does mean you get these sporty seats which are very comfortable and finished in full leather and do have a lovely contrast stitch. Looking above now, we find the virtual cockpit display, which is featured with 2 digital rev counters. As well, you can access your satellite navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does also allow access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as the Audi navigation. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. So thank you for watching the video of this approved use Audi A5 Sportback. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.